Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 Ram 1500 Outdoorsman. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in true blue. Looks kind of black, but in the sun it looks very nice. You do have your halogen headlights right there with your fog lights and your tow hooks just down there. And coming around the side here, we do have our Bridgestone brand tires. Lots of tread left on them, and they do also have the 17-inch rims, 20-inch rims. They look fantastic. You have your heated exterior mirrors right here with the turning signal and your running boards along the bottom. Coming around the back, we do have a 6-foot box bag here. You do have your Outdoorsman badging as well as your parking sensors down there with your backup camera. You can open this guy up. Ooh, a little frozen. Looks great back here though. It does have the spray and box liner, and it does have lots of snow in it, but that can be cleared up very easily. Got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock. That one does lower the air ride suspension, and we do have our remote start there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have your electric mirrors, windows, and locks. As well, this guy does bring in your mirrors, your handle here, storage, and more down here. Looks great in here as well. Very spacious, and you do have these very comfortable seats. They are electric, so you do have your backward and forward, tilt and lumbar support there. And then up here, we do have the controls over our lights, so our auto, off, daytime running lights, and low beams, as well as our fog lights here and in-cabin light control here. And then up here, we got our controls over our turning signals, windshield wipers, and our high beams. Let's start up here, key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here, we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. We also have our battery life and oil life up there. Now we can switch that around. We do have our speedometer, as well as we have fuel economy, trip A and B. We do also have the trailer tow, our audio, stored messages, screen setup, and back to the speedometer. That is control from right here with the voice recognition, Bluetooth, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. And then right in the center we do have our 8.4-inch touchscreen display. So we have our AM, FM, and Sirius XM, as well as our media tab here if we have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, Bluetooth, or SD card. You have your controls over your heated seats and heated steering wheel. You also have your controls over your climate here. It is a dual climate system for you and your passenger, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. Phone options right here. As well, you do have your settings there. Gear shift is just down here as well, and you have your control over your 2-wheel, 4-wheel low, and 4-wheel lock. And then when you are in reverse, you have the ever-useful backup camera keeping you safe. And then down here, we do have our volume up and down with the mute, screen off, hazard lights, back button, tuner and browser, AC, circulation, heat up and down. You do also have the power off auto, front rear defrost. You got your trailer brake, your air ride suspension, heated seats, traction control, tow and haul mode, heated steering wheel, and your park sensors. Then you do also have some storage in there, some storage in here. Then you have your 3 cup holders with your armrest, doubles as a storage container. Lots of room in there with a USB and aux cord plug-in just over there. You can lift this guy up. You do have another seat underneath there and some storage underneath that. And then over here, we do have the top and bottom layer for our glove boxes. Lots of room. And then you do have the universal garage door opener and your control over the window in the back. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here, you got your chrome accenting on the handle. You do have the control over your windows handle here and some storage. Looks great back here. Very spacious. You can seat 3 people back here. You can also fold this guy down, and you got an armrest with some cup holders. You can also fold these guys up. You do have some storage underneath there, and you can fold this down just like this. You do have a flat surface to put stuff on top of. Plus, you do have your cup holders over there and some storage right under the floor mats. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2015 Ram 1500 Outdoorsman. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.